Hey everyone! If you've ever dreamt of super long, voluminous hair, then 24-inch hair extensions might be exactly what you're looking for. But before you click Add to Cart, here are 5 things you absolutely need to know about 24-inch extensions. Let's dive in. 24 inches is long, like waist length or even lower depending on your height. It's dramatic, eye-catching, and perfect for those who want a full transformation. But keep in mind, longer hair means more maintenance and styling time. This isn't just about length. These extensions give you a noticeable volume upgrade. Especially if your hair is fine or thin, 24 inches of added hair can create that full, glamorous look we all love. One of the best things about long extensions is flexibility. You can wear your hair straight and sleek, curl it for soft waves, braid it for boho vibes, or tie it up in a bold, high ponytail. The options are endless and super fun. You've got options: clip-ins, quick, DIY, perfect for events or switching styles; tape-ins, semi-permanent, lay flat and blend naturally; sew-ins, great for long-term wear if you want consistent length and volume. Each method has pros and cons. It depends on your lifestyle, budget, and how often you want to switch things up. This is the magic of extensions. You don't have to wait months or years for your hair to grow out. You can literally change your look in one sitting. And with the right care, your 24-inch extensions can stay soft, shiny, and beautiful for a long time. So, is 24-inch right for you? If you love long, voluminous, versatile hair, and you're ready for a little extra care, then yes, absolutely. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this length or if you're still deciding. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and follow for more hair tips, reviews, and tutorials.